Hey, Mike here today, and today we're going to do an install on Flowmaster's Flow FX direct replacement muffler on a 2019 Ford Raptor. This muffler is a direct replacement, easy install, should only take about 30 minutes for an experienced technician. It's limited lifetime warranty, 409 stainless steel. It's a good replacement for those guys who don't want to do the full cat back. It doesn't replace the resonator, so should eliminate any cab drone, even though you're stepping up to the beefier sound, which we all want. Okay, we'll do the install and get back with you. Okay, Mike back here. We just finished up the install on the muffler. A couple tools that came in handy was this little pry bar and flathead screwdriver. There were some safety clips on the tailpipes to keep those from slipping off if perhaps like a clamp did come loose. We ended up just pulling the tailpipes completely off. Just helped make the maneuverability of the muffler easier to get the stock one off and the new one on. The instructions said you could leave them hanging, but we ended up just pulling them off. Anyways, I'm excited to hear how it sounds. Let's go see.